Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello, this is the video of my house. Okay, so this house has this kitchen which has been painted, and it has new stove and the countertop. Kitchen countertop has tiles, porcelain tiles, which is not the best. People like granite, but this one is long-lasting, durable, and this one here, see, it has a chandelier in the ceiling, the light, and this is another chandelier, and it has a fireplace, and these artificial logs are there, and it has a ceiling fan, and this is the living room, and this floor is has vinyl. It's LVP, luxury vinyl planks, which I got installed just about 2 months ago, and it has new carpet. See, as we go up, you can see the new carpet, which for the upstairs, the whole area, I paid about $2,400, which is very good price. And this is a small game room. As you come up the stairs, it's a small game room. It has 4 bedrooms upstairs. This is another bedroom. It used to be a big game room, but I partitioned it, made a bedroom and a small game room. And this is the master bedroom. Okay, and I installed a new fan recently, and it has nice big closet here, and then this one is a master bathroom, which has new tiles, ceramic tiles. Actually, it's porcelain tile. Porcelain means strong. Okay, and this is the small bathroom, and this again, all the cabinets were painted in very nice gray color, dark gray for the cabinets, and light gray on the walls. And these 2 mirrors are new. Old mirrors were thrown out, and I put new mirrors just by hanging on the nail. And see this light I installed myself, four bulbs, and this is another big closet in the bathroom, big closet, and there is a shower here. See the shower, and then there is a bathtub, and this is the view from the master bedroom, view of the outside. You can see outside streets. It's nice tree in the front, nice big tree, oak tree, just one oak tree in the front, and all these doors have new locks and new knobs, door knobs. And this is the hallway, and this is a bedroom. It has new ceiling fan, which I installed myself, and this is a bathroom upstairs, guest bathroom. Okay, and then this one is another bedroom. Okay, the 4th bedroom, it has a ceiling fan, and basically there is a small, like a closet in the hallway upstairs, and this is the thermostat. Okay, and then to go in the attic, see this door here, this string that's hanging. You just pull it down, and it opens a staircase. So you go on the staircase in the attic. The attic has the air conditioning unit, The heating unit, the water heater, they're all in the attic. And the attic also has insulation so that heat or cold does not reach your house. And then this is the staircase going down. Okay. So this is the house, and I will also show you the outside view of the house. This is the main living room of the house downstairs, and the outside view of the house, this is a nice tree, oak tree, and this is the view of the garage door. By the way, this garage has a new garage door opener, which we got installed new, and the new outside two lights. And this is the view of the house from the outside. As you can see, it looks nice, and outside, see the AC unit outside is there, the AC unit, and the walls from the outside looks like this, and then in the backyard, and this is the garage of the house. It's two-car garage with a new garage door opener and new paint on the floor. All the walls have been nicely painted, so the garage looks very decent, very nice. Anyway, it has some controls to control all the faucets right from here, from the garage. The backyard has it's a big backyard, no trees, but it's a big backyard. See, it's fenced backyard, and fenced backyard, no trees, but it's very nice. So this is the house, and this is the back, the view of the back wall of the house is here. See, this is the view of the back wall of the house, and from a distance you can see the roof of the house. The roof also is decent, it's not too old, and these are the neighbors' houses. This is the neighbor's house. I hope it sells. Okay, so that's because in the last 1 year since the pandemic began in March 2020, and now it's December 2021. In the last 2 years, house prices in Houston have gone up a lot because lots of people are moving to Texas. Because in Texas, houses are cheap compared to other places, and people are now working from home. So they say, hey, I don't have to live in California. If I can work from home, I might as well live in Texas, buy a big house for less money, and save my money. Why do I have to live in a house worth $1 million when I can live in a house that costs only $200,000? Okay, so this is the story of my house, and I hope it sells soon. Thanks. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.